update on the stainless steel water tank. It all got plumbed in before we went to Fraser. I've got my fill point in here on that tap, basically, with a hose fitting, and then I ran the tap out the back here of the toolbox, so it's easy access with a bit of hose, makes it nice and easy. And then if we swing around to the other side, I've mounted the breather up the top here on the headboard, so it's all gravity fed. And yeah, first trip was Fraser with it, all full of water, worked awesome. Even on slopes it was easy to get water out of, compared to my last little poly tank setup. It was hard to get to the taps, etc., but it was just something I knocked up at home, and I think it cost me like 30 bucks or something. But yeah, this is way better. Got all the hoses ran up in there with the fittings, etc. So yeah, you can't really see that one, it's all sort of tucked away. I've done as best I could. I had to do a bit of a loop-de-loop on the other side just to get the length without it kinking, but we usually fill up with a garden hose from town water or pressure pump from a tank, so you've always got pressure there, so it's not going to be an issue. Anyway, just thought I'd give you an update on it, and it works a treat. Thank you, Maddie from Crawl Customs, for installing that for me and making it. And yeah, I just had to finish off the plumbing and got it all dialed. Alright, catch us in the next one.